Today we have something truly special for you, as we are here to review and give away the amazing Udfine Watch Starry. What's up guys, this is Mehran from Dynamic Tech, and today we are about to do a quick unboxing and review of this newly introduced Udfine smartwatch, which will make your life much easier with its feature. So let's go ahead. Some key features are mentioned over the box, as it has 1.8-inch Semi Amoled Screen, which will provide clear and crystal colors, a stable Bluetooth connection as the call distance can reach up to 17 meters. Now this is what I really like about this smartwatch, because the other brand smartwatches generally reach up to 8 meters, and this is also waterproof, which I will definitely test in this video. Alexa voice assistant is also built in, by which you can control this smartwatch with your voice, similar to Apple Siri function, and of course 200 plus watch faces. Also we have 300 mAh huge battery, which will make this smartwatch alive for up to 30 days on a standby mode. Also we have 100 sport mode, a smart reminder and health monitoring, which we have seen before on many smartwatches. Now here come the best part, we are giving away the Udfine Watch Starry to two of our lucky viewers. Yes, you heard it right, we want to experience this incredible smartwatch for yourself. Entering into the giveaway is quite simple. All you have to follow these steps. First of all, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an update to the latest tech videos. Secondly, like this video and leave a comment down below telling us how the Udfine Watch Starry would enhance your daily life. Thirdly, share this video with your friends and family to spread the word about this amazing giveaway, as we have some lucky winners in the past and now it's your chance to be the one. So don't wait, enter the giveaway today and get ready to redefine your wearable technology experience. Now let's see what we have got inside the box. And okay, on the top we have the Udfine logo. The watch is wrapped in a plastic, we will come back to it later on. Here we have the charging cable and some papers, which I guess nobody reads. Now first of all, we will focus on a build quality, which everyone will notice, and as you can see that it looks super premium. Basically the Udfine are working hard on their products, as they really want to compete with other smartwatch brands, and so far look wise it's totally up to the mark. It's also very lightweighted and the strips quality is totally outstanding. I would say you wouldn't even feel this smartwatch on your hand after wearing it. Now let's just turn it on to see the screen quality and touch response. And okay, it's totally outstanding. I mean, just look at the Semi Amoled Screen, colors and 316 ppi touch response, absolutely amazing. As you can see, the touch response also very smooth and quicker compared to other mid-range smartwatches. On the menu bar we have got some useful features, such as you can set the brightness, and we have got D&D mode, wake up gesture as well, and by turning on the torch the screen will turn to white, which could be used as a torch. I mean, it would be useful when you are in the darkness. Sometimes we even can't find our phone, but now once you connect your phone to this smartwatch, it will help you to find your phone by using Find My Phone feature. As you can see, my phone has started vibrating and also ringing. The Udfine smartwatch also offering 100 plus sports mode, and it has automatic workout recognition ability, which will automatically find out whether if you are walking or running. Just name it and you will find out that specific sport mode in this smartwatch. You can connect this smartwatch to your phone by downloading VeryFit application, which is available in App Store and Play Store as well. By connecting your watch through this application, you would have full access of your watch, like you can enable and disable any feature, such as if you don't want to get phone calls notification on your smartwatch, simply turn it off by using this application. Also you can download 200 plus watch faces. Just find your favorite one and simply install it from here, just like that. The microphone and speaker is also built in, so once you get calls on your smartwatch, you can talk and listen to the caller without taking out your phone from the pocket. Now here comes the most important part, which is the waterproof testing. So here we go. Now let me wash this smartwatch completely from every angle, as the company claims it's waterproof, but we should test it by ourselves as well. And okay, as you can see, the touch screen works perfectly, which is true that this smartwatch is totally waterproof and you can keep wearing this smartwatch while swimming. So that's it. The price of this smartwatch is round about $70 and according to these features and the build quality, I think if you are looking for the best smartwatch under $70, then I will definitely recommend Udfine Watch Starry. Also, I will definitely encourage you to participate in the giveaway, as no one knows, but you could be the winner of this smartwatch which worth $70. You can order the smartwatch from the link which I have given in the description down below, and believe me, you will just love it. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys have got any question in your mind regarding this smartwatch. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.